Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Flightly password on your device. Now if you want to use the Flightly password on your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the Flightly password is a feature that allows you to track your lifetime flight data, including the total miles you have flown, the number of flights you have taken, and many more features. Now it is also the feature which helps you to use many other things from the Flightly app and all of it. Now to use the Flightly password, open the Flightly app on your device. So if you have not installed the Flightly app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. Now to use the Flightly password, make sure that you have upgraded to the Flightly Pro. So if you haven't upgraded, you may click on the option of settings under your name and you'll see the option of Flightly Pro. So click on the option of Flightly Pro and here you'll see the option of View Flightly Pro. So click on it and select the option which you think is good for you and pay the certain amount of price. And to use it, you need to select the Flightly password from the menu. So click on the option of My YouTube Profile and here you'll see the option of all-time Flightly password and click on it and you'll be able to see the flight and all of it, the flight distance, the flight time, the airports and the airlines which you have used, and also the domestic airlines and the long haul and all of it. You'll be able to see on the same page and you'll be able to access to all the necessary items in the same page. So that's it. That's how you can use the Flightly password. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.